Learning Indonesian. Lesson topic, Bedroom Basics.
Kamar tidur.
A bedroom.
Ranjang.
A bed.
Bantal.
A pillow.
Sarung bantal.
A pillowcase.
Selimut.
A blanket.
Spray.
A sheet.
Kasur.
A mattress.
Selimut tebal.
A duvet.
Sarung selimut tebal.
A duvet cover.
Rangka ranjang.
A bed frame.
Sandaran kepala ranjang.
A headboard.
Nakas.
A nightstand.
Lampu nakas.
A bedside lamp.
Lampu.
A lamp.
Jam weker.
An alarm clock.
Lemari pakaian.
A wardrobe.
Lemari dinding.
A closet.
Lemari laci.
A dresser.
Laci.
A drawer.
Cermin.
A mirror.
Tirai.
A curtain.
Karai.
The blinds.
Permadani kecil.
A rug.
Karpet.
A carpet.
Sandal rumah.
The slippers.
Piyama.
The pajamas.
Gantungan baju.
A hanger.
Keranjang pakaian.
A laundry basket.
Bed cover.
A bedspread.
Lampu malam.
A night light.
Spray. Karpet. Gantungan baju.
Want to remember these words forever? Go to flashcardsluna.com and practice this and thousands of other decks for free. Link in the description.